Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. This is Kingston. Nice, vibrant city and a lot of things to do. Art district, Bob Marley Museum, shopping, restaurant, nightlife, parks, entertainment. Always busy and a lot of traffic. But can you escape it? The city has a lot to offer, but I also enjoy escaping into nature. And that's what we're doing today. And it's pretty close, only 20 minutes from Ligani. We will explore authentic Jamaican cuisine on wood fire with all natural ingredients, a location hidden in the hills of Kingston, right on the river and with a waterfall nearby. Come along with me and let's visit Pretty Close876.
Good morning, people, and I'm back for another adventure. Yes, all right, I made it here. I think I showed you guys a little bit of the road, but I'm probably gonna do a better job when I leave out, because I did take a wrong turn. Anyway, I'm here now, so I think I can call it Kingston's best kept secret. Yes. We're going there now, so stay tuned for a nice little river adventure, waterfall, you know, the usual. I'm telling you, I bring you to nice places. And we're here. Yeah, look at this, this is cute.
Well, we're there upon the early shift.
Yeah.
Lining up now some stuff to get the food them together. So this is our preparation. So this is the first season getting together.
Yeah.
Just about everything. We're doing like a fresh callaloo with like some scallion, carrot, you know, onion, every little thing, pepper. Alright, we're doing like a ackee and saltfish. So we cut it up the season for the ackee and saltfish. And we're doing like a side order.
Yeah.
With some okra and stuff.
Okra.
Right.
Nice.
Ackee over there.
Ackee over there.
Yeah, boiled sit right here. Peas boiling.
Peas boiling.
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually.
Yeah.
So we're getting the ball rolling.
Yeah, man.
Okay, what's happening?
Guys, I'm just catching the action. I'm here with the chef. Yeah. You know, I love to catch the action.
Chef Samurai.
Chef Samurai in control. That's Jesus.
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 Oh, Jesus.
Jesus. AKA Omar.
Right.
But we call him Jesus. Because he's born,
Interpretation.
born on Christmas.
Yes, your father's Christmas.
I love it. Beautiful place. Yeah, man. Excelente.
Put a look at okra in the ackee and the saltfish, you know?
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. Samurai.
Like the fighter.
Definitely, but fight with the kitchen.
It is.
And then you have your belly filled.
Yeah.
Fight the hungry. Look, wap. Hungry's gone. See, that's me. I like when you laugh. You look so beautiful. Oh my God, you make my morning. Yeah.
Samurai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You samurai.
Fight the hungry.
Good. You chop away hungry, baby.
I love that.
Yeah, my darling.
Alright. The colors into the next pot.
Right.
Yeah.
This is for the ackee and the saltfish.
For the ackee and the saltfish.
Right.
Different style with the okra.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Right
people,
now.
look at this knife. Pink.
Nice sword.
Yes, guys, the precision. One day I will cut like this, like a samurai.
Just come and get some daily teaching and you got it.
Yeah.
Right here. Yes, sir, you have can cook.
Yeah.
A woman don't want to hurt this man who can cook and feed her. So you better can cook and feed a woman, Jesus.
Right.
She will go to fast food and they catch her. Cook for your wife, boy. The Rasta terms.
Natural.
Everybody are Rasta, you know. But I don't start people don't know themselves yet.
True.
Comprehend?
Yeah, see?
See, my darling.
See.
No problemo.
No problemo.
No. Nice talking to you, my darling.
Ay, I love it. See guys, the vibes is right. So you know when the vibes right, food right. Because vibes go into the food.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You see?
Gone.
Waste it.
Waste
Watch me now. Samurai teach them.
Yeah.
We don't need to cut off nothing more than this. See?
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the food,
yeah.
my queen. That's the food. Some of them can peel off these edges because they want to make it look clean.
Right.
But you just wash the thing from your garden and you're good.
Yeah.
We read them from the tree and we eat them. Good. Live food. Wash them before you cut them.
Yeah.
Some people cut them, drop them in the water, say they're washing them.
Yeah.
All the sinews leak from this, gone
Yeah.
in that water. So you wash them before you cut them.
Yeah.
To drain all the sinews out of
Right.
it. And the water will take it out.
How are you? Fine. They say I watch your channel.
Yeah, man.
So, isn't this cool? He said, I know you. I know your channel.
What you think, man?
Ting large.
You want to catch fish?
Yeah, yeah. I fish already cooling there in the river. Yeah. I didn't catch them, but that's fine. Yes, so this is pretty close, and I think that's best kept secret in Kingston right now.
Not pretty close.
Pretty close. It is pretty close, actually. It was very fast for me.
Yeah, man.
As long as you lift your eyes to the hills, 1, 2.
Uh-huh.
Are you man could just reach a saying I thought you were wait for you. Would I reach further?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What you will say one
Now I'm helping, so we're not delaying the thing.
No, man.
No? We good?
Great at the coconut and things.
Get your fresh picked breadfruit going on the fire now. And you know, you put in a little cut so the steam can go right through it. So the sip is bubbling over there.
Yeah, the cooking right now. So we're going to take out some of the peas from this to cook the rice and peas.
Okay.
And we're going to have some for the soup.
Ah, nice.
Soup without meat.
Yes.
Yeah, Rastaman style.
Rastaman style, people.
Yeah, man.
So ackee and saltfish, sip,
Rice
bread,
and peas.
kalaloo,
Plantain, plantain and green plantain.
green plantain,
Fish.
fish,
What is it?
okra stew. That look nice.
And spring water.
Guys, cooking natural spring water and natural coconut.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Margaritaville. Chaos. Pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut we use, we don't use packed coconut milk. Natural. Get
Cheers. Fish not always out there for you to see.
Raj know to find them boy.
Yeah, man.
Raj can't swim, man.
Yeah, man. Crab hunting, or we go river for crayfish, or busu, or wilts. Just keep it natural out there.
And explore the
Hunting,
country.
yeah,
Pretty close.
pretty close.
And fire.
Yes, people, that's the style. I love it. I mean, video is just one thing, but I'm telling you guys, you need to come here in person to actually really
The experience.
you really have to be here in person to really experience the vibe of this nature place. The river, the sound, of course the cooking.
Coconut are great, man.
Yeah, I agree. Yo, it's so nice. It's early, it's about 7:30 now. So I really, you know, catch the early mystic vibe. Yeah.
I will eat the bomb then.
protein.
Yeah,
Added protein.
Mama say, boy, stop eating all the coconut, boy.
Thank you. I will just come up here and have my coffee. Yes, from the wood fire coffee. People, I'm telling you. Nice.
Not far.
Not.
Mama cooking.
That's how you make real coconut milk naturally. You grate it and then
Just like mama cooking.
when you strain it, I see coconut milk. See guys, smoke is following me.
With love. That's our ingredient. Come out better, you know?
Ah, see guys, that's the secret ingredients, you know. And so you might have the recipe,
Yeah,
but that alone will not be enough. You have
cook with the love.
you have
the
to
nice.
add the, you know, the love to it.
Alright, so just put the coconut milk in the pot. We'll do the sip. So that season it up with some pimento, scallion and thyme, pepper. All of them little natural things. So we have them all about. No tomato, no onion, no garlic, no sweet pepper. Just like scallion, pepper. We'll put some okra and some stuff in it. Nice.
Nice.
Hope it's pretty for this camera right here.
You know, they have to see everything, the pretty and the ugly. What? Hey!
Where the camera look?
Nice.
Yeah, I'll
Rich
put
color.
this in the sip.
Yeah.
So it's rich.
Beautiful. Yes, people, we're making our spinners or dumpling. No, spinners.
Yeah, dumplings, same way.
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Yeah, but it's
I
more
will use
rolly,
the-
like more rolly.
Right, spinners. Yeah.
Yeah.
See with the coconut milk, same way. Lovely. I cannot wait to eat this food.
So what I say, if you push a knife inside and it goes straight through the heart like that, it rolls. Cut the knife from it. Clean.
Nice.
When I want to soak a minute.
Oh, this is calabash. This is making our calabash bowl. It's made out of this. Yes. So you see, they are coming different size here. And this is what we use to make our bowls. For people, I love places like this. I'm so happy I came here and I can show you this place. You can come here and book your session. It's on reservation. I will leave all the link in the description. You can book. So you can come here, do the hike, visit the waterfall, come here and eat the good food. Yeah, and it's just a vibe, and it's so close. It's pretty close, right? It's so close to Kingston, so definitely just a couple of minutes away of driving, and you're here in nature, escaping the hustle and bustle. Ooh, gotta show you guys, that's a restroom. Nice. Ah. Hey, I love it. Nice and clean. That's how we love it. Yeah. Beautiful. We have some rain, some blessings from the sky. Yeah. So this is the restroom. Nice. Yeah. Right here. Natural spring water, farm to table, everything organic, no fertilizer is used in the farming. So yes, that's the Ital way, you know. Come up here, you know, and just enjoy the sound of nature, hang out, relax, eat some good food, visit the river. We're still cooking, but later on we will go up to the river, so I'm gonna show you that too. So don't worry, we're gonna cover everything so that you know what your experience is gonna be like when you come up here. But of course the video can just do as much. Really, right now, even standing here, hearing the sound, the rain, the smell, all of that, you need to be here to get the full vibe. So try to visit Pretty Close in Jamaica, Kingston, St. Andrew. Those little cabanas, yes, where you can come, hang out. So they're all over the place. You can be here, be right here, hanging, chilling, yeah, have your drink and enjoy your Sunday. Also, Pretty Close has also their YouTube channel. Yeah. So that's where it is. So I'm gonna leave the YouTube channel in the link. So head over there, check out the YouTube channel, and you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. Help boost that channel over there. Help it grow, show some love over there. Yes, that's how we do it. Oh, all right. I love it. What a nice way to spend my Sunday mornings. Yeah, I came out extra early because I wanted to catch the cooking, right? Because I know you guys love to see the cooking, just like me. Yeah, Assistant Chef Jessie. Yeah. Ooh, look, it's actually nice and deep. A lot of little pools to jump in. Lovely, 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 lovely. Appetizer. roast dumpling with some ackee. Oh my, so cool. Huh? I know how to do that here. You have to go into settings. Alright, people, original thing, yeah. Because you know I'm a little hungry already. You come up?
Hello, good afternoon. You know my friend, Alice.
Your car, you know, man?
Your car, I'm going to this one. The sea is a good on there, you see that? Can't push on the way there. You must know still. How you that boy them joke you.
Oh, look at this, lovely. Woo. Alright, so it's hot, so I have a little holder here and enjoying this soup by the river. Rich. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I just love this. It's early morning. I have my sip by the river. You can hear the sound of the birds and the water flowing. I don't know, I'm just happy when I can be right here at nature. Yes. So we have the red peas, we have the spinners, we have plantain in there, sweet potato. Want some? Hi.
Pretty close.
What do you have time again? You know?
The greater coconut.
The greater coconut.
Give one of the pot plate there.
Yeah.
Grace or race.
Yeah, low enough, I don't know how we here.
Yeah.
Now watch them. 4 o'clock I eat them by. And the rice and peas can't say they choose them.
It's well, quick.
So, see the Thursday, no fridge.
We don't put them thing up on fridge. Like, if we cook today and we have food left,
Yeah.
we now put it on a fridge, you know.
Monday,
Saturday done.
Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, depend. I not take that there, but Monday we there.
Yeah.
Like Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday.
Yeah, but I tell you, say, me not put on a fridge or nothing. It just stay natural. Not spoil. And we now use the dairy product them and them stuff. As I tell you, I cook with love, you know. Yeah. Natural wood fire. Summarize, I cook a long time. From a little boy, I jump school gate, primary school, I go buy lunch.
Honestly, all the principal are proud with me.
Yeah.
No kids eating in the school.
Nobody know why them
Jerky.
Big stone.
They start what a search picnic for their lunch money. And they hide them on the rock like Oliver.
Yeah.
But now I'm lunch because be a bully beef and white rice. And
Yeah.
Be a bad
Yeah.
food, man.
And be a van with them out going to go home. No, can't get the picnic white rice and bully beef.
I used to go and
Cooking
get
olive oil.
curry and all
Me
them
give them
things.
barbecue chicken, rice and
All
peas,
type of
raw vegetable. We give them all fried fish.
Arsenic, this man I give me
We get them all
arsenic
curry
in a
bone.
porridge.
If we cook oxtail, we give them all the sauce, the gravy, and them a say turkey. That one up bad. We make them, then line long.
No muss. No muss.
All the policeman come make me line, they pick them and say, you can like when you go away. Come, Anna, you got I like you. Thumbs up. So we did it a long time, baby. We did it. Now we have to, right? Boom, bam, bam. What move now? See? Ready to eat them. Yeah. Fish. You flick out the wrist, you know?
Yeah.
You can't be stiff.
No.
Let's say push up the fish. May I cut out the foot? Good, man. Alright, my boss. No, you are good. I know. Man, I want to see the rod.
Knife pop. Headshot.
Headshot.
Knockout.
Knockout. How we talk about? Oh, boom. Yeah, bend like a granny.
That's my wound spot.
If my granny like it, she bend like it, but I will really say granny. Alright. Everything, man.
Everything.
Come on.
I love the green.
Man.
See this spoon? Yes. No plastic. Oh my god. Look at this. So delicious. Plantain, breadfruit, fish, rice, callaloo, ackee. Yo. Yeah, people, we're here. Look who's here. Azima. Yay! Look at this. Yeah, don't be jealous.
Don't tell us, guys. You can come and get some.
Yeah, here, have some.
Right up around Garden Town and not too far.
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
Guys, oh my god, you see this morning, you and me, we've been preparing this, you know. Yes. So now we're gonna see what we did. The magic. Yeah. Oh my god. All natural, you know. No artificial seasoning. Fresh coconut milk. Grated this morning. Cook the rice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that will go up on the video. I was eating way too fast. Anyways, belly full, life good. Yeah.
travel and do this? That's actually a thing?
They what?
Travel and do videos.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Guys, we have visitors here from Ireland. Woo!
Poland, but Seattle, really.
Poland.
Yeah.
In Seattle, Irish in
Yeah.
New York.
Yeah.
Nice, international. And now in Jamaica.
Pretty much, yeah.
First time?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Drinking a nice jelly. Yes. Can we get better? I don't know. Let's find out. Because there's a waterfall and we're going to discover it. All right, let's go.
In total, there are 4 waterfalls. 2 are easy accessible via a beautiful nature trail, and the other 2 will require some climbing. For today's video, we will cover 1 waterfall. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss when I will come back to visit the others.
Big up, people. Yeah. So that's the trail heading to the waterfall. So there's 2 waterfalls. We're going to number 1. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Yeah. So we're here with some guests. Yeah. We're hiking to the waterfall. Which one we go? What's the name of it?
Arcade Falls.
Arcade?
Arcade.
Arcade? We're going to Arcade Falls. So cool. I love this trail. Yeah, man. But this is so beautiful. A nice little nature trail tucked away. Who would have thought that only a couple of minutes away from Kingston find this oasis? Woo! Amazing. Not smell nothing.
What is that? Let's put it down when we come out.
What your name?
Search my art.
Search my art.
Yeah, good for bad skin, good for everything. Good
Oh
for
yeah?
the system.
I like the name. I need to bring that home. Remember me to pick it up. Search my heart. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna make tea with it. Up the step. Yeah. Oh, there. Yes, outside. All right, we're hot now. We need to cool off. Let's see what the water is like. Yay, that's nice.
You get to cool down, that's it.
nice changing room. Nice. People, so this was a lovely day. Thanks for having me here.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Guys, you know, we're gonna leave his YouTube link in the description and Instagram. You can find him on Instagram,
TikTok.
on TikTok.
But they're everywhere. Google, everywhere. Not far,
Nice.
pretty close.
Alright, so this place, if you visit, it's on reservation. So you can send them a DM and place your reservation. You can come here and you saw everything on the video. You have your hike, right? You have the good food.
Just like mama cooking.
Your mama cooking. This is so cool. Yeah man, anything you want to say?
Big up all the people. Not far, pretty close.
Pretty close. Alright, you see from Kingston, just what, 20 minutes drive?
Yeah. 1-2. From
1-2.
Papine, 15 minutes drive from Papine, and then 15 minutes drive from Papine, and then 1 minute from Gantown and you reach it. Not far.
Not far, pretty close guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!